haul some dirt for me, that'd be fine too. All right, I'll get my chains off in here so I can don't get hung up on anything.
Or I could do it. I think I might turn that back there into a basil garden.
Okay, back where?
Back by the raspberries in that bed back there. You said
You look over here and you say, I might turn that back over there into, and I'm going, there's nothing over there except those pots.
you didn't see my finger pointing back over there.
No.
Oh, well, you should have looked at me before you jumped to conclusions.
Oh my God. Back where?
Back by the raspberries. In that bed. So basil is an annual. However,
Well, does it need like a lattice or something to grow on?
no, it's like a little bush.
Oh. Well, what? Right next to the raspberries?
Well,
That
not
dirt
quite
area?
right next to it. Yeah, in that dirt area.
Well, where am I going to put that dirt?
Oh, I'm going to use that. Well, I'm going to move the other dirt.
You are you?
Well, or you are.
Yeah. I know how that fucking works.
In fact, I could use some right now.
Where?
In the potato. It needs to be filled up completely.
Well, let's wait until it gets hotter.
Okay, well, we can...
That sounds like a good idea, Dave.
I don't think it's...
We'll wait until it gets really hot so you can haul dirt. I mean, you didn't sweat enough today.
I don't think it's going to get any hotter today, honey. It's about as hot as it's going to get, so...
Yeah, but how much dirt is it? You gotta be real careful. Put it in there too. You got to put it.
Yeah, I just need like a barrel full of it brought up and over it, and then I'll have to put it in. What?
A barrel? Now, where the fuck am I going to get a barrel?
A wheelbarrow.
Oh, okay. I was gonna. Now I'm dealing with barrels.
A wheelbarrow full.
I'm gonna buy me a hand truck.
We have a hand truck.
No, a good hand truck
Oh, a big one?
with bigger tires on it still.
Mine's too wimpy for you.
Oh, she drove him down to his truck. She drove him down to his truck.
No?
Must be too hot for him to walk.
Yeah, it is like 88 in the sun. And it's not a lot of shade at this time of day.
Is that what it said?
Yeah, that's what my phone says right now.
88?
88.
Okay.
And that's about the hottest it's going to go. It's going to drop at least 10 degrees tomorrow.
You're lucky I'm not like him. You know, I'm home, I'm golfing.
You're not allowed to golf.
What?
You don't have no golf clubs.
I can buy some.
What would be the point? Huh?
What would be the point? You wouldn't be able to use them anyway.
You used to have golf clubs, if I remember correctly.
I got rid of them.
And you did not use them.
Well, no, because it was like a fortune to play golf.
Yeah, well, it probably hasn't gotten cheaper over the last
No,
20
it hasn't.
years.
I think it's like almost $100 a whack.
That's crazy.
I could look it up because I looked it up. I don't know which.
We could make you a little putting green around here.
No, fuck that. What the hell? One of the reasons I quit golfing is because everybody thought they were fucking pros.
Yeah.
And it's like you're a hack just like everybody else. You just settle down.
Yeah.
But you
Get
know,
over yourself.
yeah, everybody had their suggestions. Oh, maybe you should do this. Maybe you should do that. Maybe you should shut the fuck up before you get a club up to your ass. But So that's why I quit golfing.
It's probably for the
I
best.
figured I'd get hurt somewhere along the line. I come home, fucking one wrapped around my neck. Oh, quit golfing today, dear.
I don't think I want to play that game anymore.
They kind of got pissed off. Can you unwrap this club from my neck?
I'm wondering if I don't want to lay my hose before I put those plants in the ground.
Why?
Because I can still move them easily now, and when I'm laying the hose, I tend to be kind of clumsy. What? I do. I tend to be a little bit clumsy, and I could rip off some leaves and stuff.
Well, whatever.
So I could lay the hose today, like now, and then do some planting.
Whatever. I gotta go get the barrel.
You don't have to. It can wait till tomorrow.
I gotta. Yeah, it's too cool right now to do it.
I gotta do it during the heat of the
I'd
day.
rather have you do it when it's hot. And when the sun's right over there in that
Well,
section.
in another hour or so, it should drop a good 10 degrees.
Oh, now you're a meteorologist.
No, that's what the thing said.
It told you that?
Yeah, it gave me an hourly.
Oh. Thought maybe it was talking to you.
No, it didn't talk to me. I had to look at it. Yeah, it says, oh, that's by 9 p.m. That's not hourly.
Oh, my God.
That's 9 p.m. 1 a.m. 66. But it'll be 74 by 9 p.m. It'll just be getting dark.
So, what's that got to do with anything?
I don't know.
You want me to come out here in the dark and shovel dirt? Huh?
No.
Fuck. We'll let you do it when it's cool. All right, so at 10 o'clock at night, go out there and get that done. Okay.
You are goofy.
I'm goofy. I'm not the one trying to make you go dig dirt in 80-some degree weather in the sun.
What is the dirt in the sun right now?
Yes.
Then definitely don't do it right now. I am going to plant this bed, though, because look, it's in the shade.
Okay.
You don't have to help with that.
I ain't going to. That's your job.